ताकि हम इस कार्यक्रम को उत्साहपूर्ण ढंग से आरंभ कर सकें।
The exultation of having such a magnificent audience on this auspicious day fills us with immense pride, as we are about to present a spectacular and grand program on this remarkable evening of splendor. An array of extravagant, entertaining and scintillating performances by our dynamic Thomasine is sure to leave you utterly mesmerized. This majestic evening is destined to be filled with exuberance and cherished memories of excellence. With immense gratification and exhilaration, it is my privilege, on behalf of St. Thomas, to present a heartfelt and rousing welcome to this august gathering on such a congenial evening. A rapturous night awaits us as we witness the soft embrace of twilight when the sun gently dips below the horizon and the world transforms into a canvas of serene beauty. The evening gentle carriage paints the sky in hue of gold and lavender, while the constellation twinkles like diamond, adorning the heaven with a breathtaking celestial display.
In this enchanting ambience, nature herself seems to whisper tales of tranquility, weaving a tapestry of serenity that envelops all of Begumganj in its embrace. Today is a moment to rejoice in our past achievements, even as we envision a brighter and more glorious future. So, let us unveil the spirit of camaraderie and vibrant energy that envelops this occasion.
एक बार सभी उपस्थित जन अपनी तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट के माध्यम से अपनी उपस्थिति का एहसास कराएं, ताकि हम इस कार्यक्रम को उत्साहपूर्ण ढंग से आरंभ कर सकें।
दीप प्रज्वलन यह हमारी संस्कृति का एक अनूठा हिस्सा है। हम नमन करते हैं परमपिता परमेश्वर को और उनके आशीष से आज के इस पावन समारोह का शुभारंभ करते हैं।
आपका इनपुट देख लेना।
हमें चलना है अंधकार से प्रकाश की ओर,
आपको इनपुट मिलना है।
पृथ्वी से आकाश की ओर, सदाचार से सुशासन की ओर और प्राणी से परमात्मा की ओर। इसी श्रृंखला में दीप प्रज्वलन के लिए मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी हमारे मुख्य अतिथि राइट रेवरेंड डॉक्टर जेम्स अथिकलम, बिशप ऑफ सागर, रेवरेंड मदर प्रायरेस सिस्टर आशा, हमारे विशेष अतिथि मिस्टर सौरभ मिश्रा, एसडीएम बेगमगंज, मिस्टर कुलदीप पटेल, द सीईओ मिस्टर डी रजक, डीओ रायसेन, मिस्टर आलोक श्रीवास्तव, एसडीओपी बेगमगंज, मिस्टर राजेंद्र श्रीवास्तव, डीओ बेगमगंज, जनपद अध्यक्ष मिस्टर पुष्पेंद्र सिंह ठाकुर, नगर पालिका अध्यक्ष मिस्टर संदीप लोधी, रेवरेंड फादर जॉर्ज एमएसटी, पैरिश प्रीस्ट, Reverend Father Leo Babu, the esteemed principal of Saint Xavier's School, Bhopal, Reverend Sister Valsa, the manager of the school, Reverend Sister Marina, the principal of the school, respected Dr. Jitendra Singh Tomar, PTA president, and all the former principals.
मकसद उद्देश्य के साथ एक खास आवाज नाच के साथ, जी हाँ, हम करते आए हैं यहाँ आगाज आगाज आगाज। और हम सब यहाँ जिस खास मकसद से इकट्ठे हुए हैं वो है हमारे प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों का उत्साह वर्धन करने का। उसे आइए मिलकर आज के इस कार्यक्रम को आगाज 2025 को बहुत ही शानदार तरीके से पूरा करने की कोशिश करते हैं।
एक कहानी हमारे साथ आई है। ये कहानी है अड़िग संकल्प और दृढ़ निश्चय की। ये कहानी है छोटे हाथों द्वारा चांद और तारों को छूने की। ये कहानी है जिज्ञासा को जगाने और पोषित करने की। ये कहानी है दूरदर्शी सपनों और समर्पित परिश्रम की। ये कहानी है हमारे शिक्षकों और सहकर्मियों के अथक प्रयासों की। ये कहानी है नेक और दयालु हृदयों के अटल विश्वास की।
As we look back to the past 50 years, We fondly remember the visionary founders who led the foundation of this remarkable institution. It is their profound foresight which have brought us to where we stand today. Now, we invite you to take a walk down to Memory Lane to relive the history, the growth, and the remarkable milestones of our beloved school. So let us sit back, relax, and enjoy this inspiring journey together. Here we have Master Moksha Yadav, Master Devang Gupta, Miss Aditi Thakur, and Miss Anya Thakur, our school reporters, to take you on this inspiring journey.
A very good evening, everyone. We welcome you all to the Golden Jubilee celebration of St. Thomas Convent Higher Secondary School, Begumganj.
I, Devang Gupta.
I, Anya Thakur.
I, Moksha Yadav.
And I, Anini Thakur, welcome you all. From the tiniest seed of faith, nurtured with love, prayer, and perseverance, a mighty tree has grown, bearing fruits that illuminate generations. 50 years ago, in the serene town of Begumganj, the seed was planted. Through storms of challenge, rains of grace, and sunlight of divine favor, it has flourished. Today, it stands resplendent. St. Thomas Convent School celebrates its Golden Jubilee, a radiant milestone in the extraordinary legacy of the Benedictine Sisters of St. Leoba.
The vision was entrusted by EPAR, Most Reverend Clemens Thottungal, Sisters of St. Leoba, who took on the sacred mission of making God known and loved through education. On 3rd July 1975, the feast of St. Thomas the Apostle, Reverend Father Diago, Vicar General of Sagar, blessed a humble school building, and the collector of Raisen district inscribed the first student's name in the register, a simple yet profound moment marking the beginning of a golden journey.
Even before the grand inauguration on 18th May 1975, the kindergarten section opened its doors, welcoming 150 tiny learners, innocent, curious, and full of dreams. Before the school could rise, there were visionaries who sowed the first seeds. Sister Mary Thomas, Sister Virginia, Sister Vianney, Sister Gertrudis, Sister Redempta, Sister Baptista, Sister Grace, Sister Regina, Sister Benita, Sister Leonie, Sister Fabiola, Sister Stella, Sister Zaveria.
With courage, faith, and relentless dedication, they built the moral and spiritual foundation of the school. They envisioned classrooms not merely as spaces of learning, but as sanctuaries where discipline, values, and creativity would bloom. Guiding them were the prioresses, the president of the society, Sister Redempta, Sister Stella, Sister Benita, Sister Jyoti, Sister Vandana, and Sister Asha, whose wisdom, leadership, and prayerful support nurtured the vision of the school into reality, ensuring that the mission of the Benedictine Sisters thrived with love, order, and foresight.
The Sacred Dawn, 1975 to 1978. Sister Benita Kalarakkal, the first principal, walked the corridors with courage and vision, transforming a humble building into a place of hope. Her leadership was firm yet compassionate, laying the bedrock of faith, discipline, and academic rigor. Manager, Sister Gertrudis, oversaw administration with foresight, keeping the wheels of the mission steady. The first teachers, Sister Grace, Sister Baptista, Miss Kamalesh, Miss Aruna, Miss Sandhya, Miss Sushma, and the ever-loving Ayagula.
The years of formation, 1978 to 1983. Sister Baptista, 1978 to 1980, imbued the school with discipline, devotion, and spiritual depth. She emphasized moral grounding, making students conscious of values alongside academics.
The era of expansion, 1983 to 1989. Sister Fabiola, 1983 to 1989, expanded the school's horizons academically, culturally, and spiritually. Her vice principals, Sister Ansi and Sister Jyoti, complemented her leadership, bringing creativity, energy, and care to every initiative. Manager Sister Gertrudis ensured every growth step was orderly, sustainable, and value-driven.
Years of Strength and Stability, 1989 to 1995. Sister Stella, 1989 to 1995, brought serenity and structured growth. Vice Principals, Sister Valsa and Sister Vinaya, with Manager Sister Vianney, ensured academic excellence, emotional support, and moral guidance for students and staff alike.
The period of renewal, 1995 to 2001. Returning once more, Sister Lily, 1995 to 2001, renewed the school's energy. With Vice Principal, Sister Jyoti, she introduced innovative teaching methods and modern academic standards, while nurturing the spirit of faith and character development in every student. Manager were Sister Virginia and Sister Grace.
The phase of innovation, 2001 to 2007. Sister Jyoti, 2001 to 2007, led with vision, creativity, and holistic insight. Vice Principals, Sister Anita, Sister Marina, and Sister Shiny, along with Manager Sister Redempta, brought modernizations into classrooms, encouraging critical thinking, creativity, and technology integration.
A landmark of glory, 2007 to 2014. Sister Vinaya, 2007 to 2014, transformed the school into a center of excellence. Achieved CBSE affiliation in 2010, introduced digital classrooms and smart boards, strengthened academic programs, spiritual formation and cultural life. Her vice principals, Sister Marina and Sister Benzie, and managers, Sister Ansi and Sister Mary Thomas, worked tirelessly to ensure every initiative, academic, cultural and spiritual, succeeded with elegance and effectiveness.
Years of Flourishing Growth, 2014 to 2018. Sister Bennett, 2014 to 2018, enriched infrastructure, new classrooms, science labs, and sports arenas. Vice Principal Sister Lena, along with Sister Anne Mary, coordinated smoothly, balancing discipline, administration, and pastoral care. The campus blossomed into a vibrant, modern, and holistic environment for learning. Manager was Sister Divya.
A time of grace and gentleness, 2018 to 2021. Sister Shiny, 2018 to 2021, nurtured compassion, innovation, and creativity. Vice Principal, Sister Lena, ensured operational excellence and continuity, making classrooms lively spaces of exploration, joy, and character building.
Years of Radiance and Renewal, 2021 to 2025. Sister Mercy, 2021 to 2025, infused the school with renewable energy, modern technology, and a forward-thinking vision, introduced solar panels, robotic labs, coding programs, and digital learning, promoted joyful, value-based education. Vice Principals, Sister Lena, Sister Jessie supported her, ensuring every program touched hearts and minds. Manager was Sister Saveria and Sister Vinaya.
The Golden Era, present 2025. Sister Marina, 2025, leads with vision, energy and administrative brilliance. Her Vice Principal, Sister Jessie, and Manager Sister Wilsa, and Sister Flory, Sister Clara, Sister Linda, and Sister Cincy collaborates seamlessly to ensure all-round development in academics, sports, arts and technology.
Procurators and office bearers. Sister Glory, Sister Soumya, Sister Karuna, Sister Kiran, Sister Shobha, Sister Blessy, Sister Nirmala, Sister Cincy ensured smooth administration, finance and logistics, enabling the school to function with efficiency and grace.
Tribute to all teaching sisters. Every teaching sister contributed with dedication, skill and love, transforming classrooms into centers of curiosity and inspiration, nurturing generation of students with intellect, patience and moral guidance, leaving an indelible mark on the school's legacy.
Students' achievements and growth. From 150 learners in 1975 to over 2030 students in 2025. Thomasian alumni shine as doctors, engineers, teachers, block medical officers, Nagar Palika Adhyaksh, Janpad officials and government servants. In arts, sports, leadership and community service, Thomasian students have excelled, reflecting the enduring vision, values and guidance of their mentors. Beyond India, our Thomasian students have reached international horizons, pursuing higher education, research and professional careers abroad, carrying the spirit, values and excellence of their alma mater to the global stage, proving that the seeds sown in Begumganj continue to bloom far and wide, illuminating minds and hearts across continents.
A golden reflection. 50 years of dedication, faith and vision have turned tiny seeds into radiant stars.
St. Thomas Convent Higher Secondary School is more than history. It is a sanctuary of learning, values and faith.
From seeds to stars, a golden spark and a splendid legacy.
Agaz!
Thank you.
जहाँ हृदय की भक्ति बढ़ती है, वहाँ हर कदम परमात्मा की ओर बढ़ता है। ईश्वर चाहे किसी भी नाम से पुकारा जाए, वह हमारे जीवन का प्रकाश है, हमारा मार्गदर्शक है और हमारी आत्मा का आश्रय है। आज हम आपके समक्ष प्रस्तुत कर रहे हैं प्रार्थना नृत्य।
Yes, Golden Jubilee celebration आप देखेंगे 50 different formations के साथ बड़ी ही खूबसूरती से ईश्वर का आशीर्वाद देते हुए हम कर रहे हैं इस आने वाले दशक का आगाज।
तेरी आराधना हो प्रभु, तेरी महिमा हो महिमा प्रभु, तेरी आराधना हो प्रभु, तेरी महिमा हो महिमा प्रभु। तेरी जय तेरी जय हो, तेरी जय तेरी जय तेरी जय हो, तेरी जय तेरी जय तेरी जय हो, तेरी जय हो तेरी जय हो। आराधना तेरी महिमा महिमा, तेरी आराधना तेरी महिमा महिमा। तेरी जय तेरी जय तेरी जय हो, तेरी जय तेरी जय तेरी जय हो, तेरी जय तेरी जय तेरी जय हो, तेरी जय हो तेरी जय हो। आराधना हो प्रभु, तेरी महिमा हो महिमा प्रभु। इस जहान का सृजनहार, तू है सबका पालनहार। इस जहान का सृजनहार, तू है सबका पालनहार। सभी तेरी उदग में सदा, तेरी जय हो प्रभु सर्वदा, तेरी जय हो प्रभु सर्वदा। तेरी आराधना तेरी महिमा महिमा, तेरी आराधना तेरी महिमा महिमा। तेरी जय तेरी जय तेरी जय हो, तेरी जय तेरी जय तेरी जय हो, तेरी जय तेरी जय तेरी जय हो, तेरी जय हो तेरी जय हो। आराधना हो प्रभु, तेरी महिमा हो महिमा प्रभु। तूने सारे जग को बनाया, सुंदर
जी हाँ, एक बार जोरदार तालियों से आप सभी से गुजारिश है हमारे बच्चों का उत्साह वर्धन करते हुए।
May now invite our Reverend Principal, Sister Marina, the radiant emblem of wisdom, poise, and leadership, to ascend the dais and extend her gracious words of welcome to this distinguished and august gathering. Sister Marina, the stage awaits your reluctant presence.
Stars from a golden spark to a splendid legacy. Most Reverend Dr. Bishop James Atikalam, our esteemed chief guest and the shepherd of the Diocese of Sagar, Reverend Mother Prioress Sister Asha, the President of the Benedictine Sisters of St. Leoba, our guest of honor, our respected SDM, Sri Saurabh Mishra, Sub-Collector Sri Kulti Patel, Sri Alok Srivastava HDOP, Sri Rajendra Srivastava BO, our cherished former principals, respected Father George, our parish priest, Father Leo Babu, Principal of St. Xavier's School, Bhopal, our beloved manager, Sister Valsa, our superiors, Reverend Fathers, religious brothers and sisters, our beloved parents, dear alumni, well-wishers, and all galaxies of dignitaries present in this golden evening of joy and thanksgiving. A grace-filled golden and glorious evening to one and all. Today marks a significant moment in our school calendar. Today, St. Thomas Convent Higher Secondary School stands clothed in the radiance of 50 golden years, 50 years of faith, formation and fulfillment. This evening is not a just celebration, it is a pilgrimage through time where every brick, every classroom, every smile whispers a story of dedication, prayer and perseverance. Half century ago, a humble seed was sown in the fertile soil of Begunganj. That seed, watered by the tears, toil and tender care of the Benedictine Sisters of St. Leoba, has grown into a magnificent tree, spreading branches of knowledge, discipline and character. Today, as we stand beneath its shade, our hearts echo with gratitude to those missionaries who dreamed and those hands that built, to the pioneers, the former principals and the countless sisters and teachers who gave their lives in the service of education and faith. Most Reverend Dr. Bishop James Atikalam, our chief guest, we are profoundly honored and blessed to welcome your Lordship to this momentous occasion. Your presence this evening illuminates our golden jubilee with sanctity, wisdom and divine inspiration, transforming this celebration into a ceremony of grace, reflection and triumph. Your presence grace this evening with the pastoral warmth and fraternal blessing. We are deeply honored to welcome you to this historic Jubilee celebration. With a deep reverence and jubilant hearts, we extend a most joyous and majestic welcome to you, our dear Bishop James Atikalam. We are profoundly delighted to welcome our most Reverend Mother Prioress Sister Asha, the President of the Benedictine Sisters of St. Leoba, a woman of exceptional sagacity, luminous brilliance, and boundless benevolence, whose visionary leadership and nurturing spirit continue to enlighten, inspire, and elevate the legacy of St. Thomas Convent Higher Secondary School. Dear Mother Prioress, indeed your presence has blessed this golden evening. With beholden hearts, we welcome you for our cultural vista. Our distinguished dignitaries, Sri Saurabh Misra, Sri Kuldeep Patel, Sub-Collector of Grayson, Sri Alok Srivastava, Sri Rajendra Srivastava. We are truly honored and privileged by your presence this evening. Your presence imbues this golden jubilee with prestige, distinction and inspiration, reinforcing your commitment to the cause of education and the holistic growth of young minds. Through your wisdom, guidance and unwavering support, you have profoundly shaped the landscape of learning and excellence in our aim. It is with a deep gratitude, admiration and joyous celebration that we extend a warm and resplendent welcome to each of you, dear sirs. Our former principals, Sister Benita, Sister Fabiola, Sister Stella, Sister Jodi, Sister Vinaya, Sister Bennett, Sister Shiny, and Sister Mercy, we are immensely honored and overjoyed to welcome you to this historic and golden evening. You are the torchbearers, architects, and luminaries of St. Thomas Convent School, whose vision, perseverance, and exemplary leadership transformed humble beginnings into a splendid legacy of excellence, inspiration, and empowerment. With the highest admiration, deepest gratitude, and heartfelt celebration, we welcome you to the stage of history that you so brilliantly shaped, dear sisters. Our parish priest, Reverend Father George, Most Reverend Father Leo Babu, Principal of St. Xavier's, fathers, brothers, and sisters from Bhopal and from neighboring places, on this resplendent evening of our Golden Jubilee, we are profoundly blessed and honored to welcome you. With immense reverence and heartfelt admiration and joyous celebration, we extend to you a grand, majestic, and heartfelt welcome. Beloved parents, alumni, well-wishers, and cherished friends, your presence tonight enriches our celebration and bears witnesses to a legacy 50 years in the making. It is through your support, faith, and unwavering encouragement that St. Thomas Convent High Secondary School has thrived and achieved its luminous stature. Ladies and gentlemen, this Golden Jubilee is not merely a celebration. It is a tribute to dreams, realized to excellence nature, and to the legacy of countless lives touched. This evening, our students are ready to show you with a magical performance titled Seeds to Stars, from a golden spark to a splendid legacy aghast. Through this program, they will beautifully narrate the journey of education and showcasing talent, creativity, discipline of St. Thomas Convent School. So I invite you all to take your seats, immerse yourself in this evening and witness our young stars illuminate the sky of excellence as we celebrate 50 glorious years of faith, wisdom, and achievement. Once again, a hearty, fraternal, official, and affectionate welcome to this Golden Jubilee celebration. Let us together rejoice in the golden glow of gratitude, grace, and glory. Welcome, one and all. Thank you.
Our dynamic and visionary principal, for your gracious words of welcome. Your eloquence set the tone for this August evening, radiating warmth and grace.
जैसे गुनगुना रहा है, हमारी यात्रा स्वर्णिम हो गई। वो नन्हा सा बीज कभी विश्वास की मिट्टी में रोपा गया था, आज बन चुका है एक चमकता सितारा।
हमारी कहानी, हमारी पहचान from seeds to stars, इस सुनहरी मिला में जब आकाश भी मुस्कुरा रहा है और धरती भी ताली झूम रही है। आइए इस अनकही कहानी को नृत्य की लय में महसूस करें।
जहाँ हर कदम प्रतिज्ञा है, हर भंगिमा एक प्रार्थना है, प्रस्तुत है हमारा स्वागत नृत्य जो हवाओं की मुस्कान और सितारों की झिलमिलाहट के संग कहता है स्वागत है इस स्वर्णिम यात्रा के नए अध्याय में आपका स्वागत है।
देव पधारे हैं अतिथि रूप में
इस खूबसूरत रंगारंग प्रस्तुति और हमारे बच्चों
a shepherd of faith and wisdom whose presence sanctifies this celebration. We are deeply privileged to welcome our gracious guest of honor, Mother Prioress, Sister Asha, the President of our society, whose leadership radiates inspiration and strength. With heartfelt reverence, we call upon our respected Father Leo Babu, the Principal of St. Xavier's School of Bhopal, and Father George, our beloved parish priest, whose spiritual guidance continues to bless our journey. The dais will now be graced by our cherished principal, Sister Benita, Sister Stella, Sister Jyoti, Sister Vinaya, Sister Bennett, Sister Shiny, and Sister Mercy, whose tireless commitment has sculpted generations of excellence. We also extend our cordial invitation to our honored government dignitaries, the SDM, Mr. Saurabh Mishra, the CEO, Mr. Kuldeep Patel, the SDOP, Mr. Alok Srivastav.
I request all our dignitaries to please be seated. Well, this is really a moment of proud and honor, moment of pride and honor for us that we have such eminent people who
For his blessings. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all give a resounding round of applause to His Lordship Dr. James Ethikalam, a beacon of faith, wisdom and inspiration for all of us.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's all offer a resounding round of applause for Mother Prioress Asha.
She is a visionary of rare foresight, a guardian of value and a beacon of inspiration, whose guidance elevates not only institution but the very soul of those under her enlightened stewardship. St. Thomas Convent School, Begumganj, has flourished into a century of learning, virtue and holistic excellence. She is a paragon of altruism, who now star a visionary paragon and the eternal guiding light of Benedictine Sisters of Saint Leoba.
May I now request our senior teacher, Mr. P.S. Thakur, and our beloved principal, Sister Marina, to honor Mr. Saurabh Mishra with a shawl and sapling as a symbol of our respect and gratitude.
Let's all give him a thunderous round of applause for his commendable service and inspiring leadership.
Honorable Mr. Kuldeep Patel, CEO Begumganj. It's an honor to welcome. May I now request our senior teacher, Mr. P.S. Thakur, and our beloved principal, Sister Marina, to honor Mr. Kuldeep Patel with a shawl and a sapling as a symbol of our respect and gratitude. Let's give him a thunderous round of applause for his inspiring leadership.
Our principal, Sister Marina, to kindly honor Mr. Alok Srivastav with a shawl and sapling as a mark of a profound respect.
Let us greet him with a hearty applause for his selfless contribution towards the progress of society.
May I now request our school teacher, Mr. Manoj Sharma, and our beloved principal, Sister Marina, to honor Mr. Rajesh Srivastav with a shawl and sapling as an expression of a heartfelt gratitude.
Extend a grand round of applause to this distinguished officer whose vision enhances the
May I now request the Bank Manager, State Bank of India, Mr. Tejashwi Patel, along with our beloved Principal, Reverend Sister Marina, to honor Reverend Father George MST with a shawl and sapling as a token of our heartfelt gratitude and respect. Ladies and gentlemen, let's extend a warm and resounding round of applause for Reverend Father George MST, a shepherd, a mentor and a guiding light for us all. With heart brimming with gratitude, we now take this privileged moment to honor a man of vision, intellect and generosity. Our PTA member, Mr. Sushil Srivastava, along with our beloved principal, Reverend Sister Marina, to honor Reverend Father Leo Babu with a shawl and sapling.
Reverend Sister Benita, a pioneering flame, the first principal of St. Thomas School from 1975 to 1978 and 1982-1983, who walked the corridors of faith and service. Sister Baptista carried forward the torch with devotion and grace. Her heart beat for the children. Her life was a song of sacrifice. Though she now rests in heavenly abode, her spiritual fragrance continued to linger in every heart that belongs to St. Thomas. Her memory breathed through these walls, reminding us that true leadership never dies. It lives in legacy. Though she is not with us in person, her blessings are felt in spirit. Let's rise and take a pose.
Her with a thunderous round of applause.
Reverend Sister Lily, a disciplinary principal of St. Thomas School.
Jyoti, the light, she illuminated every corner of St. Thomas with intellectual sapling as a symbol of radiant gratitude. Ladies and gentlemen, please appreciate her with a thunderous round of applause.
As we salute her enlightened leadership and futuristic vision. Ladies and gentlemen, please appreciate her with a thunderous round of applause.
With a shawl and a sapling as we applaud her devotion to architectural and academic splendor. Ladies and gentlemen, please appreciate her with a thunderous round of applause.
A radiant star of resilience, Reverend Sister Shiny, Principal St. Thomas Begumganj from 2018 to 2021. Sister Shiny steered the school through the most testing time of COVID-19 pandemic, when the world stood still. She became the bridge between teachers and students, ensuring that the light of learning never dimmed. Her leadership was marked by compassion, innovation, and undying hope. May I invite our esteemed Mother Prioress Sister Asha and Sister Bensi, Principal Benedict Academy, Bangrasia, to honor Sister Shiny with a shawl and a sapling as we salute her courage and compassion. Ladies and gentlemen, please give her a thunderous round of applause.
Sapling, in appreciation of her futuristic vision and progressive leadership.
How can we ever capture in words? As we offer a thunderous round of applause to our beloved principal, Sister Marina. Let us all give a thunderous, joyous round of applause to our beloved principal, Sister Marina.
Let's give them a thunderous round of applause.
We extend our heartfelt gratitude to Mr. Harnam,
Ladies and gentlemen, let's all offer a heartfelt and thunderous round of applause for Mrs. Shilpi, a luminary of intellect, a maestro of word, and a guiding hand behind tonight's celebration. Ceremony now to honor Shadabai with a shawl and sapling. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all offer a resounding round of applause for Shadabai for her dedicated service.
मान्य अतिथियों का हार्दिक स्वागत करना चाहूंगी, अभिनंदन करना चाहूंगी, आभार व्यक्त करना चाहूंगी सेंट थॉमस परिवार की ओर से, क्योंकि आप हैं जिस वजह से सेंट थॉमस स्कूल परिवार इतना खूबसूरती से संचालित हो पा रहा है, कार्य कर पा रहा है। तो आप सभी का एक बार फिर से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।